I wanted to share my magnetic eyelashes that actually come with an eyeliner, but before I open the box, I actually want to show you the back. All the instructions are here, and if you're not sure how to do it, they're very good. They're pictures, they're steps, and you just follow them. It's so easy. So let's open the box. I've already used some of the eyelashes, and they come with two tubes of the glue, of the magnetic glue that you put on your eye, and then different kinds of eyelashes. I used some of them, I trimmed them, I played with them, I made them smaller. My eyes a little bit smaller, so I cut them for my shape and size. I also trimmed the length because I wanted them a little bit shorter. They have 5 little magnets on the back of the eyelash. So I actually trim them from magnet to magnet so I can have exactly a magnet staying at the edge of my eyes. And you can reuse them again. I'm really happy with that option and I recommend them.